Do I have to start it like that? Oh no, here we go. We're on. Got it. Yeah, it's filming. Cool. Well, I'm gonna check out the car show. I'll see you June 3rd. Go to that concert. DCAC, BCDC. Look at this sexy hot rod, eh?
Car number 22.
Nice. Look at that, eh? That's a Ford Roadster. You know how old that is? It's like from 1920s, man. 1932. Look at that, eh? That's fucking old school. Cool. Look at this guy, Z28. That's nice. Fucking rates, dude. Look at that, eh? Fucking little toys, eh?
Car number 27. Taylor Ellis.
Sweet. 1966.
That's all for the door prizes. Big round of applause for all of you.
Who,
that
Jamie?
got door prizes
We're
today.
friends.
Again,
He's just Jamie, you know what I mean? I get pissed off at him sometimes.
And hallmark and vision of the Jumpstart
sexy
program
trucks.
for kids that have needs for sports.
Nice. They
We
have
all
three
have needs
fundraiser.
for a great ride.
Look
Doesn't
at
matter
this,
whether
eh?
you're driving a dragster,
Woo!
going 8.5 seconds down the quarter mile, you've got a beautiful bike, or your whatever ride you got, you just got to enjoy it and baby it and have a good time with it. Are you all in agreement? Yeah. And I'm so glad the weather hung out today. Now we're going to announce our winners.
That's pretty cool. Holy shit, look at that over there, hey? That guy looks like a mean machine.
That's one, all the one down there.
Yeah. That guy probably can just rock and roar.
Before I name any of the winners, you're all winners. You all have amazing rides.
Whoa.
Whether you're
this one.
everyday,
Nice. This one's called a Javelin.
Crotch rocket, bike. Every single car here today is a winner. I want to tell you that. They all have their own personality, their own looks, their own color, their own paint. You babied them, made it what you want it to be. You put horsepower in, maybe not, maybe so. So thank you all today for coming out, and you're all winners. And now I will name the winners.
Careful, careful. Oh, sorry, can I get by you? Oh, sorry, I just didn't want to scratch the paint. Jeez, eh? What is this all about?
Okay, so I've been apprised by the boss, the best of the show is going to be at the last. And I'm to reiterate again, you are all winners, and there is 10 trophies.
Saskatoon.
Okay, best of show will be red last. And Miss Teenage Saskatoon will be handing out the trophies, okay? Who's excited about this?
Woo!
I can't hear you guys.
Yeah!
Cars. Exactly. All right. In no one particular order, car number 26, Bud McMurtry, a 1932 Ford Roadster. Come on up and get your trophy.
That's that one down there, the red one.
Nice! Woo woo!
Get peace to drive it. Get peace to drive it.
There you go.
Yeah, yeah.
Woo!
Again, in no particular order, car number 14, Art Squires with the 29 Ford two-door.
Yeah!
Come on up, Art.
Turn on.
Greeted by
1942, oh, I just forgot what he just said.
42, we've just seen a 42. It's gotta be one of those down there.
Yep.
In no
Congratulations!
particular order again, car number 15, Brian Bates with the 1969 Chevy Camaro.
Yeah! Woo! Woo woo! Yeah.
I want to ride in that.
Yeah, no doubt. Looks like shining pink and new.
Right on. Got a good.
Let's see what the trophy.
In no particular
Last
order,
trophy.
car number 38, Gord and Cindy Crawford, a 32 5-window coupe.
Woo! Yeah, yeah! Right on.
In anticipation. Car number 1, Chris Harper, a 1948
I
Arrow.
think I know that guy. Oh, no. Ford Arrow.
Where's the arrow? Oh, look at the nice ones down there.
Car number 18, Vic Rogalski with a 1930 Ford Coupe. If you can make your way up here for your Jump Start trophy. He's gone. Okay.
Damn.
We really would like people to hang in here so they can collect their beautiful trophies. Fun in the sun. Car number 25, Keith McMahon, 2003 Yamaha.
Woo! This is pretty cool. We have like cool events going on today.
Car number 12, Lawrence and Kayla Watmo with a 1950 Chev truck.
Woo!
Congratulations, Lawrence.
Probably down there.
Yeah.
That blue one.
Purple.
Purplish blue.
Where is she blue in that?
See?
That's purple.
Past the maroon
Yeah.
kind of red. There's that purple blue one there. That's nice. It's pretty cool.
Car number 46, Paul LaBelle with a 1966 Mercury pickup.
Woo!
I love that year, 1966.
That was the one I just looked at. That was a nice one.
That'd be about 50 years old, right?
Back there.
Wow, we're getting down to the last two, folks.
I don't know what. I'll look around. Nice.
Diesel, a 1987 Bedford MJ. That's the best overall.
Look at this, eh?
That is all the trophies for today,
Jezebel.
folks.
Look at the Hemi on that mother.
And we appreciate you coming out for the Jumpstart program that we're trying to promote here.
They have a Mazda. Whoa. Nice. Edelbrock's.
Look where his muffler is.
Nice. Did a pretty good job. Look at that, eh? That guy looks like he's mean. He always comes out for street wheelers. I know. He comes out for street wheelers all the time. I took a picture of that one on my old phone. Yeah, look at that, eh? Oh, it looks scientific in there. Wow. Let's get a peek at that, eh? Nice.
We wish her all the best at the
on,
national
buddy.
competition where she will play.
Wow, it's all customized. Nice ride. That is so cool.
Dracula.
So one more round of applause, please.
Wow.
Awesome.
The Falkenstein Gasser.
Thank you so much for coming.
Falkenstein
Have a
Gasser.
beautiful day.
That, eh? Woo. Look at this little ride. Nice. 32 Ford Swindle Coupe. Ah, this one, between this one and that red one, they're pretty damn good. And that black one, for sure. Cool, man. Look at that. Whoa. What's up? What is it?
Pretty pan.
Oh my god.
Riding that.
Clay Smith. This is the guy who won 4th place, I think. I thought they said Chris Smith, but it was Clay.
That's fucking sweet.
I know, right?
Try this. Well, you made me probably fucking flying off.
Right on. Nice Dodge Challenger. This,
Challenger.
oh yeah. Bet. Corvette Stingray? No, this is a Corvette down in Harrovie. Wow.
Hey, man, see you later. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Just adoring your car. It's nice. Look at that thing.
I like this Camaro.
Oh my god, it's like the Army force just came into town and just like took control. Ooh. Look at this one.
This guy gets
That's kind of like what my dad used to have. My stepdad. It's pretty nice. Look at this. No stepping. I wouldn't want to wreck the paint job on this guy.
no, hell no.
Oh man.
How much these paint jobs cost?
I'm even scared to go near it. Just it's beautiful
one.
though. Cowl induction. This Camaro. Look at that, eh? Pretty good sized trunk though for these guys. This is a nice ride. That's the Camaro, eh? Yeah.
454 Camaro. That's fucking big ass. That's a big ass motor.
Careful. Oh yeah, check out that army tank looking thing. Look at this. Looks like the army just came to town. Little Harley over there, checking it out. That one would be the Sportster Diesel Fury. This would be sweet to have, just for fun. Oh, my uncle would have so much fun here. He'd love it.
Oh, I actually got